What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto. Bringing you another video today. A quick one on why I think Litecoin is going to pull a Ripple and have the next big breakout. Because if you just look at Litecoin and Ripple, they're both OG coins that have been around. They're some of the first altcoins that came out after Ethereum, and since Bitcoin has been around. And it's been around since the beginning. On this chart, it goes back to 2016. Litecoin has also been around since way back then, 13, 14, 16. But they're both OG altcoins. And Litecoin here on the 2-month chart has been just consolidating in this range since its beginning. So overall, it's been in this consolidation around this price of around $60. And if you look at where it's at now, a major inflection point that it took out I think it was last month. So this top over here at 146. Last month, it wicked above it at 147.22, and it's looking like it's poised for a macro breakout out of this basement level range that, again, it's been consolidating in for since like 2016, 17. It's been establishing this floor here. If you take this low since 2018. Now, if you look at Ripple, it was looking like the same thing before. Let's just go before the breakout. Again, an OG coin that had been around since the beginning, one of the first altcoins, had been forming these lows, just macro consolidation since, if you want to go from this whole low here, 2018. So similar time frame as Ripple for how long it's been around and consolidating. Then it was consolidating in the EMAs. And then it had the catalyst of the lawsuits being dropped and Gary Gensler stepping out as the SEC chair. Then it had this massive breakout, pretty much all in one candle, took out this high here back in 21. And now it hit new all-time highs and looks like it's ready for continuation. But when an asset is accumulating for 6+ years, it's going to have consequences for a massive breakout. So I feel like Ripple is foreshadowing what's coming next for Litecoin, because Litecoin is in a similar kind of position where it's been consolidating since 2018. Massive consolidation here on this 2-month chart. It already took out this high from here. It wicked above it last month. Now is looking for continuation to break out above it. And then there's also news of a Litecoin potentially being the first altcoin to get an ETF, which is also majorly bullish. And on the 2-month chart, it retested the EMAs here, the 5, the 9, and the 21, and the middle Bollinger Band. And then if you look at the RSI, the RSI is reclaiming the EMA and looking to move up now to the bullish control zone. But I basically just want to make the comparison that I believe that Litecoin is going to be pulling a Ripple next. Kind of like a gut feeling, intuition, but it has similarities to Ripple in the fact that they're some of the OG altcoins that have been consolidating massive accumulation since like 2018 and even before. And Ripple already had its big breakout with the lawsuit and Gary Gensler news. And I think the whales and the smart money are going to be moving on to Litecoin next. So I'm going to be expecting a big breakout to be coming, following in the footsteps of Ripple. And if you see Litecoin finally get above 146, then we might really start to see the fireworks begin. But I think I'll just keep it there today. We'll definitely follow up on Litecoin and see how things progress. But that's my gut feeling. My intuition is telling me that Litecoin is going to be pulling a Ripple next, and a massive breakout is incoming. Because as one of the first original altcoins that's been accumulating since 2018, like over 6 years. Not to mention ETF on the way, potentially being the first altcoin to have an ETF. I see big things coming for Litecoin. So I'll leave it there today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you agree that Litecoin might be having its big breakout, potentially to new all-time highs? Go ahead, let me know. Really appreciate y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.